Hello, pop-uppers! How are you today? I hope you are doing fine. To be honest, I've been feeling stuck and unmotivated lately. I sometimes feel this, especially after busy days. So I decided to revisit my old journal just to find some inspiration. And indeed, inspiration is just right here. My desire to draw and make paper crafts, especially pop-ups, I think is gradually returning by seeing these little pop-ups here that I did some years ago. Like these pop-ups, I think the artistic side of me has come alive. This is the very first pop-up that I made on a journal page. This is actually just a kind of decoration in the page, but after seeing it, it's so cute and beautiful, so I made a bigger one on the next page. This one. Then, after seeing the result, I was so amazed how wonderful it was. From the empty sheet of paper, after just few steps, the lifeless paper come alive. And that's really magical. So because of that, I decided to make more pop-ups. And eventually, I am doing it until now. There are also pop-up months in some of the pages here. Among them, this is my favorite. I think of all the little things on earth, the mushrooms are my favorites. Because despite being so tiny, you can't deny their cuteness. So I really love drawing them. Another one, this pop-up, a jungle in a box, is so adorable. Who would have thought that you can put a jungle in a tiny box? Except the moving bee, all of the pop-ups are hand-drawn and colored with colored pencils. This one too. Colored pencils are really beautiful, right? They are bright and you can really get the shade that you want. The next one is also pretty. As you can see, there are many elements here. The mushrooms, the bunny, and the bridge. Even though I am not very good at drawing, but I want to say it's still beautiful. The colors of the illustration make it more beautiful. And this one also. I love this. I live in a tropical country. That's why I love this because I feel like there's autumn here. I feel like you can just relax under a colorful tree. And the last one, my favorite pop-up in this journal is this. Ta-da! I love this. So cute, right? This is also fully hand-drawn. The stem, the leaves, the purple flowers. Oh, I love purple, by the way. And even the little bees are colored with colored pencils. They're so adorable. Indeed, these little pop-ups here are truly giving me inspiration to continue. They remind me of the reason why I started doing this in the beginning. There might be some days that we don't like to do anything, and that's okay. That's really okay. Pop-uppers, if you happen to experience this kind of feeling that you are unmotivated, no inspiration, and feeling unproductive, try to visit your artworks in the past. Whatever they are, big or small, even just the simplest drawing you had on your notebook. because it might give you something that would ignite your desire to continue doing what you love doing. And I also hope that this video can inspire you. It's okay to pause. It's okay to stop for a moment. But after the pause, after the little stop, let's get up and continue.